It's become a tradition for many people to set a New Year's resolutions, and a lot of those resolutions are health related. I spoke with Dr. Robert Segal, a cardiologist, who discussed the best ways to improve your health and an easier way to keep track of it. Take a look. You are a board-certified cardiologist and were featured as one of New York Magazine's best doctors for 3 years in a row. What are some of the biggest health concerns Americans face?
Knowing your heart health is important before you make any drastic changes in your lifestyle. So I always tell my patients, book your blood pressure test, cholesterol panel, to get a more personalized strategy of how you can improve your health. Secondly, we know that diet and stress are the biggest culprits of heart disease. So stay away from fad diets, implementing heart-healthy foods such as greens, leafy vegetables, fish, legumes into your diet is the best way to change your eating habits for the good. And don't put your emotional health on the back burner. Stress and anxiety account for so many physical issues. So find a favorite way to decompress.
But you're leading the charge on a groundbreaking health technology with an online site, LabFinder.com. Tell us about this platform.
It's a revolution. I think it's been a long time coming. I've been pretty frustrated in my own personal experience of practicing medicine because there was no really easy, effective way of communicating between doctors, between my patients, and the test results that make up 70% of medical decisions are based upon lab and imaging results. So the basic premise behind LabFinder.com, we're an online scheduling site, making it convenient for consumers to book medical tests at their nearest lab or radiology center using their own health insurance. Our platform creates a universal repository for your records so you can access them anytime, anywhere. Basically, it's a digital bank of your medical history, and it spares the inconvenience of waiting for your test results or having to, look through your records. And the different EMRs, the electronic medical records that doctors use, they don't talk. So what we've done is create this universal repository of test results.
Is there any concern about maybe hackers getting into that?
Sure. Hackers have always been a major threat to our business, and as such, we have always treated it very seriously. LabFinder.com constantly monitors and audits our security to make sure it exceeds current guidelines. It also sets up multiple layers. So even if hackers get through one wall, they have to get through many more to reach sensitive information.
And now, as we are in the new year 2020, we talk about how to make some of those lifestyle changes. What are some other health trends we can see in this new year, and how can Americans implement them?
That's a great question. There are a lot of health trends that are coming up. I think one that's very, connects with me is healthcare consumerism and patient empowerment, slated to change the landscape of medicine in the near future. They surveyed about 1,000 healthcare leaders, including those from biotech, financial services, IT consulting, and life science sectors, and revealed that consumerism will be one of the primary forces to shape the future of medicine.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One American News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One American News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.